In this video, we are going to see how to remove unwanted data points, outliners, from an analysis in capacity optimization. Here, we will see the method by which we can ignore bad entries by making them as outliners, but it will not remove data point from BCODB. Then we'll create a time filter to exclude samples marked as outliner. So we'll see that. So I'm in one of the analysis, which is the CPU utilization. I'll click to the data of it, and then I'll go to the tabular form. Here you see an option of outliner layer marker. I'll click on it, and then we'll choose which one we want to outline. So for example, I'll choose this one, and this one, and then there is an option to save outliners. So I'll do that. So I'll say confirm, and this is done. Now we'll use the time filter. So I'll go back to the works again. From here I'll choose the time filter. I'll give the name as demo. I'll choose the period of till yesterday, and then I'll click on advanced. Here we have an option of point class filter, which says exclude value outliners from time analysis and both value and relation outliners from correlation analysis. So I'll choose this and we'll click on save. This is done. Now I'll go back to my works to the CPU utilization again. Here I will click on edit, and under time filter I'll choose the time filter as the one which I have just created, and then we'll click save. So this will remove the pointed one as an outliner from the analysis result, as you can see it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.